Assalamu alaikum YouTube. I hope everybody doing good. Alhamdulillah. Maanta waxa usoo galay meeshan. I wanted to say thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. I have a 181 subscribers. Yay! I like that, guys. MashaAllah, alhamdulillah, wallahi. Waan kusoo farxay ilaa xad. Inaa isoo maaragtay subscribe garayseen iyo waxaas. Guys, waa idin sheegay aniga YouTube-kan serious ayaan u qaadanayaa sanadkan 2025. I'm gonna get monetized, okay? I'm gonna get monetized. 2025 will be up, guys. Will be up. I know my leg's broken in, the beginning of the year. This is how I started. But guess what? I know and I believe Allah that there is a lot in store for me, and this is just one of the bump that I need to jump, okay? And this should pass, alhamdulillah, and I have a big hope for my YouTube 2025, guys. 2025 is the year that I get monetized. 2025 is the year that I'm gonna have a lot of subscribers, and I'm gonna, make YouTube big, guys, okay? And I have a lot of hope for my YouTube, guys, so please subscribe, follow, and let's go. What are we waiting for? But yeah, things happen to you, but wallahi, always there's a God. If you always, believe God and things happen for a reason, wallahi, you will come out of it and you will be okay. And inshallah, all of us, guys, we're supposed to have different income streams. It's very important. As you guys know, everything is changing. Everything is getting expensive and all of the other stuff. So as a mother, for me, I'm a single mom. I only work. So this is one of my income stream that I'm going to be working on, YouTube. That is the plan, and it's going to happen, inshallah, okay? So this will be my second stream, and I have other ones that it's going to be in the pipeline that's going to come, inshallah. But wallahi, anything could happen. Anything can happen at any time, and that's why we're supposed to have a different income stream, okay? I am for my 9-to-5 job, but I'm also for having more, like more income streams. To do it, why not, okay? Energy-yada aan ku haysano maaragtay dadkeena Soomaalida maaragtay wallahi dad fiican aan nahay, but laakiin waxaan ku xunahay energy oo ah in maanta dhan social media loo soo galo in qof kale laga hadlo, qof kale dhibaatadiisa laga hadlo, qof kale maanta dhan maaragtay cay iyo dagaal iyo buuq iyo wax le maanta dhan ay ka hadlaan. Let's make this year wallahi the year of maxay tahay aan ka hadalo like self improvement, yeah. And aan ka hadalo inaga inaan saan isku hagaajin lahayn, sidaan u haysan lahayn maaragtay qab weyn oo meel aan gaarno, sidii aan maaragtay nolosheena aan maaragtay gaar inoogu ahaan lahayd oo isku hagaajin lahayn oo isku gacmo qabsan lahayn, so wallahi wiil ama gabadh ahow inaan more taas ka shaqeyna fiican oo la iscaawiyo more as walaaltinimo, as Soomaalinimo, as whatever, you know what I mean? Like just make sure inaad wax fiican le aad maaragtay aad la imaadid, not inaad wax buuq iyo qaylo iyo waxyaalaha inaan la imaano waa laga fiican yahay la qabto. Laakiin 2025 aniga balaankayga waan u change garoobay, and I see a lot of things, wallahi. As things happen to you, you notice a lot of things, and I know always in the back of my head, like I have to have that YouTube, I have to have that second income, I have to have that third income, I have to have. That's what I'm like now working on, because as a mom, anything could happen to you, and it's you in the end of the day, So wallahi, instead of maaragtay inaan meel fadhiisano iska qaylino waa inaan xooggeena shaqaysano iyo maskaxdeena ka shaqaysano, moogtahay? So I need all of you guys will covered follow me, and waxaad weydiisanaya waxay tahay, please, the way you could help me and the way that we could all help each other, watch the videos, subscribe and watch the videos. That's it. And get me, my people, get me to the 1,000 subscribers and 400 watch hours fast this year, okay? It happens, and it could happen, and especially like this year, a lot of people, wallahi, it happened for them so fast, and I know it could happen for me too. So, and it could happen for you too, guys. So if you want to make an extra income, and if you want to, do that, wallahi, you want to have another income, and you want to like add another income on your, income that you have already, open a YouTube. YouTube is a reliable source. And YouTube, there's different ways that you could gain money or you could earn money, okay? So wallahi, open a YouTube channel. What are we waiting for? Let's do that. Let's make more money and income. If something happens on one, we have another one. You know what I mean? So let's use our brain. Let's make sure that we support each other. But please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, so that way you're not notified whenever I put my videos up. And if you are my subscribers, thank you so much again and again. I can never say, thank you so much enough for you guys. And the ones that are watching in my future, that's going to be my future subscribers, please subscribe to my channel and welcome to my channel. I love you guys. Bye.